In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopee effectively, whether you're hunting for the perfect product or just getting to know the platform better. So grab your device and let's get started. First things first, head over to Shopee by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Shopee URL. It's a straightforward step, but essential as it sets the stage for everything else we'll be doing today. As you're waiting for the page to load, take a moment to appreciate the colorful and dynamic interface Shopee offers. It's designed to be user-friendly and engaging, perfect for a seamless shopping experience. Once the homepage is fully loaded, we can dive into browsing. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to look for specific items, or scroll through the various categories and promotions displayed on the main page. Categories can range from electronics to fashion to groceries, offering a little something for everyone. As you embark on this exploratory journey, remember to enjoy the process. It's all about discovering new and exciting products that you might need or just find interesting. After you've identified a product that piques your interest, it's time to zero in on it. Click on the product to open its detailed page. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of its features, user reviews, and the crucial Add to Cart button, among other things. However, our main focus today is on the store selling this product. To explore this, simply scroll down a bit and you'll find the View Store link. Clicking on this will transport you to the store's dedicated page on Shopee. Once you've landed on the store's page, it's time to make a note of its URL. It's as simple as highlighting the URL at the top of your browser, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. You might wonder why we're focusing on copying the URL. Well, it turns out that having the store's URL handy allows you to directly access it in the future, making repeat purchases or further exploration a breeze. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through Shopee, selected a product, and saved the store's URL for future reference. This method simplifies your shopping experience, ensuring you have easy access to your favorite stores with just a click. Before wrapping up, I'd like to mention that exploring these online platforms at your own pace can really enhance your comfort and efficiency. Thanks for following along today. Whether you're an experienced online shopper or new to the scene, using these straightforward steps will enhance your Shopee experience tremendously. Remember to stay curious, enjoy the hunt, and most importantly, happy shopping.